So this video is dedicated to troubleshooting, and what you can see right now is that the display says refill water tank. Well, you should never have to refill the water tank because this machine is plumbed into an outside water line. So what's happened is usually a cleaner or somebody else came along and they flipped the switch in the back of the machine. On one side the switch says Rita, and the other says Tanica, and right now it's switched to Tanica. So if you turn it back over to Rita, turn it to the right, then the machine will go back into the mode it's supposed to, because it'll be able to fill from the water line, and it'll fill properly. The other troubleshooting thing you want to see is sometimes people will take this bean hopper out by pulling this, and then they put the bean hopper back in, but then they don't shut this gate. So you have to make sure you shut that gate all the way, and then you can turn the machine, close it, and then whenever you open it, it automatically shuts off, so you just need to turn it on by pressing the on button again. And those are the major troubleshooting issues. The other thing to think about too, when you're troubleshooting, is how you work with the drawers. They can be kind of finicky to install them. You have to make sure they're all the way to the back, and make sure that there's no coffee behind them. Sometimes you get coffee buildup behind the drawers, and then they won't shut all the way, and your machine won't work when it's not shut all the way. The same is true of the coffee grounds drawer on this side. And then finally, there's this lip here, and you just have to make sure that you get this part of the tray here, right here, underneath the lip, or else it won't fit right. So you have to put it in at an angle. Put it in at an angle, and it'll seat underneath the lip, and then these two parts will be flush against the back of the machine. Then you close it and turn it on again.